Did you know Apple stopped making their leather cases? I didn't until recently. I picked up the iPhone 15 Pro and finally thought, now's the time. I'm gonna take the plunge, spend the money and buy an Apple official iPhone 15 Pro leather case. I went to the Apple website and it doesn't exist anymore. What the? It's now this fine woven thing. I thought I'd get one of those, looked at some reviews, apparently really bad. So after years of wanting an official Apple iPhone leather case and never actually picking one up, it couldn't happen anymore. So the hunt for an alternative iPhone 15 Pro leather case begins now. And I'm starting off with one of the cheaper options, a vegan leather option. And it is this vegan leather case from a company called Elago, found on Amazon, costs about £20, it's Magsafe compatible. Let's see how good it is and check it out. Okay, so here we have it, the Elago. I keep wanting to say Elgato after talking about Elgato products so much. This is the Elago iPhone 15 Pro Magsafe leather case. This one's in midnight green because I have to be honest, I was a little bit sad after the iPhone 13 Pro that we lost that green color because that green color was so nice. But I thought, I've got the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro. Maybe the green will pair with it quite well. I think it probably will. And apparently, according to the box, it was made in San Diego, California. I don't think it was made there. It might have been designed there. Probably not made there. The Chinese text probably gives that away along the bottom here. But like I say, it was £20 on Amazon, and I thought it'd be a good starting point to see vegan leather. Now, I haven't got much experience with vegan leather, so I don't really know what to expect here at all. But let's open it up and get the first impressions in. It just comes in a bag. There's nothing too exciting in there when you open that up, right? And when we remove that, we get some foam and we get are they stickers? I think they're stickers. Are they stickers? They're stickers. Dream Together, Elago, California. So they're big on the whole California thing. But that's pretty cool, right? Some stickers and a picture of an iPhone. But what we really want to see is the case. So, first impressions, it's got this nice smooth on the inside, Magsafe compatible, of course. Feels pretty rigid to begin with. That's my first impressions. Feels pretty solid. It doesn't feel huge either. It's got like a plasticky part around the camera here, but I guess to really find out, we need to put the phone in it, right? So let's grab my iPhone 15. Fits in snug, very snug. Okay, well, first thing, it fits really nice actually. There's a little bit of movement around the edges, as there is with any case, but honestly, it's very rigid, very snug. Looks nice with the natural titanium, right? Does it not? Does it not? And the feel of it, the back of it feels not how I expected it to feel, but the sides feel a little bit squishy, which is what I imagined from a leather case, right? I'd expect it to have a little bit of squishiness to it, but not loads. It's not like really soft, but it feels okay. It feels fine. The buttons, my first thought on the buttons are I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they stick out really far from the edge, right? They're like they protrude really far. Like when you're holding it, they're just there, right? It makes them easy to press, I guess, but it's, I don't know, it's not the most elegant of solutions. They are colored green to match the rest of the case, but they are actually made out of aluminium, or aluminum, as some might call it. And like I say, the camera bump there, the raise on there is actually, you can see it's definitely enough to protect your camera. It's actually quite significant, and I'm okay with that, right? The further away from banging onto anything my camera is, the better. It's not a part of the case where it affects it when you're using it, you know? You don't feel that part. The leather looks nice. It's got this kind of darker and lighter parts to it. It does look okay, to be fair, for a vegan leather. Cutouts on the bottom are fine. They're big, fine, and they're lined up right. The Middle one seems to be a little bit offset. You can see a screw there, but you can't see one the other side. And the lip on the screen is big, but not too big, you know? Like, it's not gonna get in the way of swiping the side of anything. It's fine, it's actually fine. It's perfectly okay, and it's uniform all the way around the case as well. My only real thing is how it feels. Like, it feels so hard and rigid. I don't know. I guess it's because I'm used to like silicone cases and stuff. It fits really nicely. It really does fit nice, and it is solid. So it's got like a hard shell interior with the leather coating on the outside. How thick that leather is, I don't know. How long it will last, I don't know. I guess the other thing to test is the Magsafe. So here's a Magsafe battery. This particular one is from Ugreen. Video will be coming up on the channel if it's not already on there. But let's see how it fits together and if it magnetizes well. It does magnetize solid. It charges as you would expect. We don't get a Magsafe charging circle on this particular battery. I'm giving it a good wobble to the point where I'm wobbling the camera here. My floor's not the most solid. Yeah, really solid Magsafe. Like you can get it off easy enough if you put it right, but it's solid enough. Like that battery, and this battery is actually a metal casing on this one. It's actually quite heavy, right? But yeah, it holds it up absolutely fine. Magsafe magnets are more than adequate, So honestly, my thoughts really are, for £20, it's absolutely fine. First impressions, I'm not complaining about it at all. Time will tell how well it holds up over time, but it feels pretty solid. Doesn't seem to want to scratch under my fingernails there. It seems fine, honestly. And to be honest, I just spent like £15 on like a Spigen silicone case. I prefer this one a lot. My only real complaint is the buttons. Look how they just stick out way too far, right? They just stick out way too far. Doesn't add a significant amount of bulk to the phone. Looks nice. The green is really nice. I do like it. Green looks nice with the natural titanium 15 Pro as well. Yeah, thumbs up to Elago, not Elgato, Elago. There we go. Thumbs up indeed. Looks nice, feels nice, works nice. Will protect your phone. If you put it down, it's going to be absolutely fine. And the camera bump is not too bad for wobbling, you know, but it's going to wobble. It always is, right? Always is. Fits nicely, feels nice, looks nice. It's okay for £20. If you want a leather case for £20, like a vegan leather case, I don't think you'll be too upset with it. I really don't. It's not going to be as nice as some of the real leather options out there, but we're talking two different things here. Some people are just never going to buy a real leather product because that's their preferences, whereas other people are going to always go for the vegan leather because it's a cheaper price. And if you dead set on real leather, like you're going to be looking at some of the full grain leather options anyway, probably not even looking at this in the first place. So if vegan leather is something that you're open to, I don't think you'll be upset. It feels nice. Like I say, over time I will make some videos comparing this with other cases and how they've held up in use, but first impressions, very impressed. It's nice, I like it. I will be using this phone mostly without a case on it. I've invested in Apple Care Plus and it just feels so nice with no case, right? You can't beat an iPhone in your hand with no case. But when I go to work, the work environment that I work in is just dangerous as hell for a phone with no case. So when I'm at work, I'll be trying this one out alongside some others. And when I'm at home, the first thing I'll do when I get home will be rip this bad boy off, and we'll be going au naturel on the iPhone, right? But there you go, guys. One more time, the Elago leather case with Magsafe, bought on Amazon for £19.99 on a deal. I think it had 20% off, right? There you have it. So there you have it, people. I hope that was valuable to you, and if you decide you want to pick one up, check that link down in the description and head over to Amazon. Grab one for yourself. Apart from that, feel free to go and check out another one of my videos up here. And until next time, people, remember, you are all awesome. Stay Banproof. I'll see you soon. Peace.